Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. NextSeed is a platform that connects businesses seeking funding with everyday investors. It empowers entrepreneurs to raise capital through a regulated crowdfunding process, offering various investment options like revenue sharing, debt financing, and equity. This opens up exciting opportunities for individuals to invest in ventures they believe in, potentially earning returns while supporting local and national businesses. NextSeed carefully vets the businesses listed on its platform, conducting due diligence to mitigate risk for investors. They prioritize transparency, providing detailed information about each investment opportunity so investors can make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, NextSeed offers a user-friendly interface and educational resources to help navigate the world of crowdfunding. Explore a diverse range of businesses, from restaurants and breweries to tech startups and retail shops, and discover the potential of investing in small businesses with big dreams. NextSeed fosters a community of investors and entrepreneurs, facilitating connections and fostering growth. With its streamlined process, NextSeed makes investing accessible, enabling anyone to participate in the future of promising businesses. They also offer tools and resources to help investors track their portfolio and stay updated on the progress of their investments. By democratizing access to capital, NextSeed is not only helping businesses thrive but also creating a more inclusive investment landscape. So, whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio, support your local community, or simply explore the world of investment, check out NextSeed and see how you can be a part of something big. Learn more and start exploring investment opportunities by visiting their website at nextseed.com. They are constantly updating their platform with new businesses and resources, so be sure to check back frequently to stay up to date on the latest opportunities. Investing involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Be sure to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.